Hello everyone. So let's talk about today's Geeks for Geeks problem today. So the problem name is substring with the same first and last character, and the problem difficulty is easy level, and it's actually an easy level. So let's see what is given in a problem statement, and after that, try to uh, apply some intuitions. Okay. So we have given a string s consisting of a lowercase character. The task is to find the count of all the substring that string and string start and end with the same character. Now, what is the substring? Substring is a continuous part of the string. Okay? Continuous part of the string. Suppose you have a string a B C. What is the substring of A B C? A B C, then A B, then B C, and A B C. These are the substring of the string. But you can consider AC as a substring. AC is a subsequence of a string. So these are the substring, which is a continuous part of the string, starting from any place and ending at any place. Okay. Okay. So let's see what is given in the example test cases, and after understanding the example test case, let's try to apply some intuitions. Okay. So we have given in substring, like we have given a string ABC AB. Okay. Now what are the substring with starting from the end? We'll generate all the substring. Now what is the all substrings? A, B, C. One length substring I'm generating already. One length substring. What is the two length substring? A B, B C, C A, and A B. Okay. These are the one length substring. The three length substring A B C, B C A. Okay. A B C, then B C A, and C A B. These are the three lane substring. Let's create four lane substring A B C A and B C A B. Now what is the five lane substring? A B C A B. Okay, these are the five lane substring. Now let's see which are satisfying our condition. Now these four are starting. These five are starting from first position and ending at last position. So the answer is a 5 for here. Now here is no starting at same position and ending at same position. So here is no substring of the two length. Now three length, there is no substring with starting at same position and ending at same position. So there is no substring. Now here the two substring are starting at same position, same character, and ending at same character. Sorry, I'm missing with here position, but these are character. Starting at same character and ending at same character. Now here also the starting at same character and ending at same character. Starting at same character and ending at same character. I found here two, here five. Now here is no file and substring starting at same character and ending at same character. So there is no answer. So what we can do? What is the first intuition our mind come in? We'll generate all this substring. Let's see. We'll generate on one for loop, like approach one. I'm discussing the approach one, which is a brute force. Obviously, you can generate all the substring and of all length, and I'll try to check the first and last character. Okay. So like I can generate an first for loop like a for I starting from 0 to I is less than n and I plus plus. This is the first part. After that I'll just starting j from I. Why I? Because I'm considering single length as a substring and j is less than n and j plus plus. Okay. Now what I'm saying, there is no matter what is the part of the substring. I'll just checking if a of I is equal to a of j. Okay, if this condition is satisfied, just increase the count, and at the end return the count. Okay, now this is the this is time complexity is the n score because we are using the two nested loop. Can we optimize this? This is a very basic approach which come in your mind as well. You can implement this as well. Hope it might get accepted. I'm not sure about it because I want to see the constraint and direct them to the problem statement. Okay. Now we'll see the optimized approach. What we are looking. Okay, let's see. This is an approach. First, you can easily put it out, and it's very easy. Uh, let's see with the approach two. What will the approach to come in your mind? Okay, suppose consider I have string like ABC, ABC, and ABC. This is a string I have. Now all the character 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These all the single length substring, and these all are starting from same character and ending at same character. Okay. Now I have to generate an character. Like suppose I am on this character C. Suppose or ignore this. I just travel this all character and I have on this character A. I'll just see how many the A. I'll see how many A I encounter at a previous. Why I'm saying this? Because if I encounter A, I'll just that is the starting point and this is an ending point. So I'll just looking how many starting from part of point, how many starting how many characters. Okay, now what I'm saying, suppose I am on this position M, so I will look into back and I'll see, I'll just check how many A I encountered during my iteration. Now why I am saying this, because I will consider this an ending character and I have to check how many starting character I have in my previous. So we see A is a 1. Okay. So let's keep track. I have to keep track of this character. So I will use a map with a characters. Okay. And what is, and the key is a character, and what is the values in integer form. I'll just what I will write a count of a coming character. Why I'm saying this, let's see. Now I encounter A with a one time, B with a one time, and C with a one time. Okay, till here my answer have only 9. Okay, now I come here, I will look into a map. There is an A present. If present, how many A present in a map? So I have only one A present. So I can make a one string where starting character is A and ending character is A. So answer will increase by 1. Now I'll go to the next. I'll see in a map. So while going to the next, I'll increment the count of the 2. Why? Because now I have 2 character of A which already visited. Now I'll see why I'm increasing the count. Now I can encounter with a B and B already present in a map. So I will just add a 1 and same with the C. Okay. For this character, and I'll increase the count of this character. Now it will become 2 and 2. Okay. Now when again I encounter with a, I will see in a map the A frequency is a 2. So I can create a 2 string where the ending point A and starting point A. Now how, which is the 2 string? Which is A, B, C, A, B, C, A. This is an one string. The completely this part is an one string. This is an one string and another this is an one string. Okay. So this 2 string I can create where starting and ending point is A. Okay. Now let's see. Same. So I will increase two here, then after that 2 here, and then 2 here, and I'll increase the count by 1. Now suppose there is some more character. Suppose there is one more C, so this C will be count as a 3 times. So this is the overall answer for the our test case. What is the answer? 6, 6 and 3, 9, 9 and 9, 18. Okay. So 18 is the answer for this example. Let's try to code it out. The approach is very simple and very easy. You will understand once you will try run by yourself. So let's try to code. Okay. Where is my, okay, let's see. So there is one brute force approach. So we'll discuss that brute force approach first. When the count is equal to 0, for which I said for int I is equal to 0, I less than equal to s dot size and I plus plus. Okay. For int j is equal to c, I j is less than s dot size and j plus plus. Okay. Now if s of I is equal to s of j, j is iterating on a part of the substring. Okay. Like suppose if I is here, like I is a fixed character. Suppose there is a string abc A. Okay. Now I is starting here. J will iterate till here to here. Now, if you come with a similar character, so there are substring. There is a possibility to create a substring where the part is a BCA. Now, suppose here is an 1A. So it will also the one is the sub part of the substring. Now next time you will fix this A. Okay. Now you will fix this A. So it will also consider as a substring part. Okay. The starting point we are fixing, and here we are fixing the ending point. Okay. Here we are fixing the ending part, and the brute force we are fixing the starting point. Okay. So both are similar a little bit and return the count. Okay. Let's see it will get accepted or not. If you won't, we'll try to write optimize approach. And if it is get accepted, we'll still try to write an optimize approach. Okay. So hope it will get accepted. So let's see. Okay. So it gives the time limit exit. Why? Because the constraint are 10 to the power 4. Okay. I'll just keep a map. Or instead of map, I'll just use a vector. Vector and frequency, and this is a 26 size. But it's just forget about this. I'll just use it. I'm not making a code as complicated. Now I'll using the for each loop. Okay, and MMO. Okay. Now there is an count. So what I'll say, if mm dot find ch is not equal to mm dot end, means that character already present in a map. Okay. So what you do is count plus n equal to mm of ch. What is ch? The count of the character. I'll just increase the count each address. I'll return the count. So let's see it will get accepted or not. The code are very simple because problem is very easy level. So let's see. Okay. So we have two string and after that I have to just add the string dot size in a single character. We are not counting a single character in a map. So yeah, these edge cases we forget. Okay. So let's try to submit it. Hope it will get accepted. And after getting accepted, we'll see the what is the time and space complexity of this problem statement. Okay. So yeah, it get accepted successfully. So let's see. We are using a map which only store the 26 characters, so we can consider it as a constant space. Okay, and space complexity. I'm just discussing the space complexity. Now here is no, we are not taking extra space. Now what is the time complexity? We are iterating on a string which actually in a s dot size. So this time complexity is a big of size of the string. So in this symbol show the size of the string. Yeah, or we can say big of n. So this is all about today's problem. Let's meet tomorrow with a new problem statement. Bye for today.